Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the Background Eraser app and granting permissions so the tool can read and save images. Choose a photo with clear edges, high contrast helps, then crop if needed. Next, select the Auto or Magic Erase tool. Set sensitivity around 20 to 40% so the app removes background without clipping the subject. Tap and hold to preview. Once you see a clean boundary, lift your finger and switch to the next tool for refining. Once basic removal is done, you refine edges with the manual brush. Set brush size to 1 to 6 px and zoom to about 200% for hair or thin details. Then apply smooth and feather with low values, 1 to 3, so edges look natural, not cut out. If the auto tool ate part of your subject, switch to restore and paint it back precisely. Make sure to alternate erase and restore while previewing at actual size to verify results before finalizing. You finish by exporting the cutout as a PNG to preserve transparency. Pick quality between 80 and 100% so detail stays sharp. Then place the subject onto a background or save the PNG for later. Align and scale using snap guides. If you see jagged edges, reopen the file, reduce feather to 1 or 2, and lightly reapply a soft manual brush, or undo and lower sensitivity for a repeat pass. One key tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.